Up next, great paint on a sweet ride. They wanted a top-notch announcer, they should hire one. Upgraded paint, obviously. Lighting. Quick disconnect windshield on a 2014 Softail Slim with, gotta hit the button again, 6,472 miles as of this moment. Previous owner also bought you a set of really nice soft leather bags. The paint is really pretty. It's 2014 Softail, so it does have the 103 cubic inch V-twin engine mated to a 6-speed transmission. But the best part of this bike is the way it looks. It's gorgeous and available for test rides 7 days a week between Vista and Escondido in San Marcos, right off the 78, North County Indian Motorcycle.